Hi everyone, this is Alexa. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here. Starting the day with some glass cleaning again. This time it's the glass divider between the bedroom and the living room. Big surface, smooth lines, and every single fingerprint loves to show off here. So I put on my heels, tie up my hair, and get into the rhythm. The cloth moves slowly, left to right, up and down. I like the way the light shifts across the glass, and the way it reflects movement back, even the smallest one. Sometimes I catch my own reflection as I work. There's something oddly satisfying in watching it move behind the glass. Just a little blurred, just a little teasing. The heels click softly on the floor as I adjust my balance. Each stretch gives me more space to clean and a little more movement to enjoy. I go from one side to the other, taking my time with the middle, where all the streaks love to hide. Spray, wipe, check the shine, again and again. I love when the glass starts to sparkle. It's like polishing a secret window, one that doesn't just show the room but makes everything look a bit more elegant. And yes, sometimes I do enjoy the process a little more than I should, especially when the outfit matches the mood. Black, simple, a bit sheer, just enough to make cleaning feel like a small performance. One last check. Corners are clear, center looks clean, no smudges, no streaks, just a smooth, shiny divider between two soft, quiet rooms. And maybe a tiny reminder that even simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a little comment, and follow me for more. See you in the next video.